Hey guys, welcome back. This is Paul, and today we are going to unbox Taylor Swift's Lover album. Oh my god, this album is honestly the first ever album I've listened to by Taylor Swift, and is obviously my favorite one. Like, here it is in this box right here. So you know what? Let's just get started and let's open it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so there's like a tear around here. Oh. Lover, lover. Ew. Look how cute. Look at that. Oh, focus. Thank you. Oh my god. You know how in the 1989 I wore blue because the vinyl was light blue? Well, I couldn't find a pink shirt or sweatshirt, so honestly this is like close. I mean, the strawberries are pink, but this is like a purple hoodie. But yeah, I don't have a pink one. I should get one because this is obviously pink. And it's also blue, but, you know. I'm gonna say it's a pink album. She is. And then here is the box with all the tracks. Oh my god, I freaking love this album. Honestly, 10 out of 10. I love it. I love it. I love it. I really do. Okay, let's, oh my god. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the first vinyl. Hold on. Forward. Look. You see that? It's torn. Are you okay? Oh no, why is it torn like that? Okay, so this is the pink vinyl. Oh my god, look how beautiful. Oh wow. This is cute. This is really cute. And she got all the songs on here with the lyrics. So I'm guessing she's not doing a Taylor Swift version because hold on before I finish saying that. What? This needs to be a poster. She's so beautiful. But anyways, I was saying, oh my god. Look at this. This is cute. This is so cute. I love this color. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so she's not making a Taylor Swift version because she already owns this album. But yeah. This album is honestly, I literally love all the songs. But if I have to choose 5, I think I know which 5 I will be choosing. You know what? Let's just go up to down. Okay, so the first song that I like from this album is obviously Cool Summer. Like, Cool Summer is honestly my favorite song from this album. Like, hello. Okay, so the second one, ooh. Okay, the second one is Afterglow. Ugh, I love Afterglow. The third one has to be Miss Americana and the Heartbreak Prince. The fourth one is... Ooh, the fourth one. I'm gonna say the fourth one has to be The Man. I kind of like that one. And the fifth... I'm gonna say the fifth... The fifth. I'm gonna say the fifth is London Boy. So yeah. So yeah, that is going to be it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and push that notification so you never miss a video. And I will see you in the next one.